See that little ring right there? There's a little bit right there, and all this right down there.
YSU's Beeghly College of Education, faculty and students don't just talk about active learning, they do it. This is the STEM Explore Camp program held each year at Youngstown State University. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. Organizers bring middle school students to campus to get them excited about STEM disciplines.
I think it's great for any child. Whether they're into science or they're not, by the time they leave here, they really will have an understanding of a lot and really have questions and want to know more. And hopefully when coming here, it encouraged them to take an active role when they get back into school or know a little bit more that might give them that edge to really want to do more, knowing that they've learned a little bit here.
These kids are guided by YSU science education majors, who don't just stand behind a podium to teach.
Don't shake it, just tap it. And then when you see stuff piling at the bottom, you can go ahead and put it back.
In this hands-on activity, students learn how to isolate their own DNA in a test tube.
We took Gatorade, swished around in our mouth for a minute while rubbing our cheeks or biting. Then we put it into the test tube. Then we put this soap type thing in it. And then we put alcohol in it.
The kids were then challenged to build a bridge using only spaghetti and marshmallows.
You get a bunch of pasta and you put marshmallows. Yeah, you just put marshmallows on the end.
Students had to work together as a team to get this job done.
Put spaghetti on the bottom like that, only it has to be really long spaghetti to span the gap.
You can't drive a Jeep over them, but you can use them to demonstrate the science and engineering behind building a bridge. For YSU's science education majors, it's time well spent getting to know these kids.
It's just great to hang out with kids. My licensure is 7th through 12th, so it's not too often that I get to hang out with the younger kids and really build a good foundation, which helps out when the kids get into the upper grades, those high school classes.
And that's why they're so excited about launching their new careers as teachers.
I say even though it's really hard work and there's a lot of things you have to do to be a teacher, but it's so worth it. Seeing kids light up and really get excited about learning, it's definitely worth it.